Is Bapiria Bere, or when he collect you to now, we don't let this love in or Italy. Saru and Louis Frederick. Wago to no and no. Oh my brother, vow to no and no. Oh my brother, vow to no and no. We don't let this love not to know the bound and mama.
Hello everyone, good day, good evening, depends on the time wait you watch this my video. And your sister, you will get your friend. Okay, my people. So the reason why I come out today, I've been watching some videos in YouTube channel, Facebook, many, you know. I always say this, when I watch some video and the video provoke me, I can't bear it. So I must come out to say it. And I don't like to be putting people's video in my YouTube channel. Okay, my people. So may I come and talk about this, our sister, or when it just happened, so the reason why I want to talk for this video be say I just want to make we the learn. We will never happen to. We need to learn. We need to learn, make it not happen to us. That is why I want to make this video. Number one point, I think, should I talk to parents first, or should I talk to which child first, or should I talk to the family first? Okay, let me start from ourselves. Yes. The reason why I want to make this video, because some people, they will come out for house. Remember when they come out for house, nobody force you to come out for house. Nobody force you to go where you want to go. You decide to go with your own mind. As you are going there, you are not going there to say, I am going this place. Is it Europe or whatever? The place you are going to make money. You know, put up for your mind, say, this place I want to go make money. Now, for only myself, now they go there for. But you put up for your mind to support. Yes. So, I want to talk this thing for some people who don't know how to talk to Africa people. That is why this message is going for everybody. Some people, they will don't enter Europe finish. They don't know how to talk to those who will never enter. You know, some people, they for this country where we dey, where their brothers or their sisters will talk to them, call them, they go to talk to them anyhow. No, sister, no, brother. I just want you to give you people advice for you to learn. I not let it happen to you before you go learn. You need to learn first. How do you understand me? So some people, if their parents, their brother or their sister just call them, what go you finish for their mouth? Remember, say nobody they said you go Europe. They don't force you. If anybody asks you something, I beg. Let that person know, say, I beg. No worry, I never get, I will give. It's better than you to say, who are you? Begin to insult the person. They talk to them anyhow. My brothers and sisters, it's just a good advice to you all. Do not talk to anybody anyhow about Africa. Think of your life. If anybody asks you something, if you have done before, please let the person know. Don't worry. Don't worry, we never finish. But do not insult that person anyhow. This is just a warning. Because some people there in this Europe, they don't know how to speak. They don't get one of approach. They don't know how to approach somebody. All the sake of say you don't do Europe. All the sake of say you they make no sense money. All the sake of say what did you get another person never get her. No. No, that is not life for you. I just want to make this one for you to learn. Learn how to talk to people back home. So that maybe they don't go throw you, you know, don't understand though. Maybe they don't go throw you, oh. If you don't upset to you, your hair will make Some people don't know how to talk to people back home. Okay, that is for advice for those people who don't know how to talk to their family, rather their brother, rather their friend. If you don't get, tell them you not get. Even if they insult you, anybody that insult you because you don't give the person something, tell that person thank you. Yes, when you say thank you, the insult will do nothing in your life. But when you return to the person, you retaliate to the person. My sister and my brother, trust me, you only know your mind, but you don't know that person mind. You know. I beg, we will learn how to approach those people back home. Not that somebody will just ask you to your mouth because they make No, my people, I'm just begging. Learn how to approach people back home. If anybody ask you money, they ask you anything, let them know, say you never get. Not before you to come out, because they insult them, because they talk to them anyhow, because they, for waiting now, people fed in that country before you come now, so. Not because they don't dare you, because they talk to them anyhow. And they bad for some people for this kind of media. Oh. You know, I beg. When they do something like say that place where you did, they make the money. Nobody don't come there before. People they did there before you. Nobody say you go where you go. So don't they use all the other people where they back. If anybody ask you money, tell them say thank you, I never get. If you like you insult you, take it with them. Okay? Take it with them. No use and insult anybody. That is just my advice to you. Another one again, second one. Our brothers and sisters, our mothers back home, I beg. Now I want to beg you now. Make you not try to learn. Because if you not learn, you understand, say, anybody will come up for house, come Europe. Not before only itself. And make you not see put up for the mind, say, those things what they do back home, no one they go house, come relax. Oh. No one they come house, come stay there. No one they come house, come enrich what you don't do for house. I be not say and say, children, what they bought for Europe, they come Africa, come they enrich on property. I want to ask you now. Any children where they go for Europe, no one they go Africa, go and rich property. I beg, not they beg. Any of your person come up for house, try to use prayer, fire her, try to give her hope, try to encourage her, try to give her more power, so they can do back home. Ask where they beat for house. You know they stay there. You can only come house once in a year, once in a month. How many times you want to stay? You wait there the house, where they stay the house. Why can't you support your brother and sister to do that thing for you to live your life? I not understand. Some people know they think. Now then you go say money, go give your brother or sister, they will chop the money. What you go say me they do, they not go do. And they forget, say that's the way you want to do, and they won't go sleep inside. You where they suffer to do that thing, you know go stay there for 1 month, say 1 to 3 to 30 days. Now you spend. No, you only go there and sleep. Go back home. I beg, parents, make you not learn. Brothers and sisters, family back home, make you not learn. Say anything what Africa people they do. Then they do it for now. Make you not learn. Make you not stop to they give them baba thing. Make you not stop to they carry their name, they go evil. Make you not stop to they drop their destiny back. Make you not think of fraud. Say anything what those children they do. Now they enjoy them. Now they enjoy and now they gain now. Make you not try to they learn. Now then you go see some brothers and sisters, some parents. After the girl or the man don't suffer, make this one to finish. And then the mother say, "Come and say, maybe mother take pay like B for the house where no they stay again." Eh? Sure. The matter they tire my people. Make you not vex. I do what they hear. I don't understand. Then that one cost the babash. Ah God. Why some people mad no they judge them? Why some people mad no they judge them? Somebody go send money for you. Because say he sought you, you get that man to carry a name, make them repatriate and come back. Oh, which game you want gay? Which game you want gay? You want gay and say, make one day they suffer with you. My brother and sister, and they return her back. You see that one you already get before. You say if you not go get some more. Make you not the reason those things well. Make you not try to think of those things. Say, because somebody talk to you, you want show and pepper, you try and madness. You return them back home. Eh? You take it to any Babalawo house for him to remain like that. What gain are you going to gain inside? You have nothing to gain from inside. You gain nothing from that person. Even if that person do something or do not do something, it's not your own gain. You are taking somebody's life for nothing, for no reason. For no reason. Eh? You are taking somebody's soul for no reason. Just look at the woman last time. Go back home. I believe that woman see that thing. Go review on to her. Not take us anything. For not go back to Nigeria. For those of you where they say person don't spend 100 years for Europe, you never go. I'm not gonna see the reason. Now you go see making some people go there Europe for years to go back home. Go be their problem. Some people go there Europe for years. They're afraid to go back to their country where they for born them. And at that country where he there before he come Europe. When I don't think of anything to do more. Now when you come say, let me try myself. If I can able to raise up myself and raise up my family. Now John upon they think evil against that person. Sure. Matter they tire me matter they tire me for what they work out they see. Then what would they wash those things for Nollywood? For no, is it Nollywood? I don't know. When we dey watch all those things for Nollywood movie, we dey feel say those things na movie, no dey exist. So wetin come dey exist nowadays? The life dey tire me, my people. The life dey tire me. Now, I don't understand. I beg. As I dey beg our parents back home, our brothers and sisters, the same beg I am begging us that is living in Europe. Let us learn how to approach those people. One of our approach is important than your money. What is money? Which money you get? Nobody will get, huh? Now you start to enter the Europe. Now you start to enter Europe. What be saying? Anybody go just call your mom, go just the drive rough. I beg. When I share this message, some people don't know how to talk to people back home. Anything you get is made for your pocket. If you don't have, you don't have. Do not insult anybody. Do not talk to anybody anyhow. I don't know if the way I'm thinking, nobody is thinking the same thing with me. Me, Sharon Store, everybody know me. Go to my family, they know. If I give you money to do me something and you eat it, I will tell you thank you. Yes. I don't know I'm mad. I don't know you're mad. I will never insult you because I give you money to do me something. When I know you're my header brother or my header sister. That is bullshit, man. I don't insult you. I don't insult you. I will just stay clear from you. Yes. I will far from you. That's what I normally do. I will never insult you. I will not allow money to divide me and you. No. That is why I only afford people who love money more than their life. No. I love my life more than money. I love my life more than money. I only avoid those people who love money more than their life. No. Because whatever you make today, when you close your eye in 2 seconds, those properties is going to remain in life while your life is already gone. So what will you do? Please, everyone, I am begging. Let us learn how to appreciate. Let us learn how to speak. We really need to learn how to speak, okay? And our family back home, please, I am begging everyone. People should be doing something right for your children, for your brothers and sisters. Do something right to them. Anything they are going to do back home in Africa, they are not going to live their life there. You remember you are the one that is going to stay the house. You remember that? Why will you be doing nonsense, doing rubbish, doing a lot of things to bring your sister back home? This video is so touching, so painful for that girl to go back home and start Apple Market again. Did you know the kind of risk she take to come to Europe? Please, so I don't want anyone to insult me. This is my video. I am begging. I'm just advising. I'm just trying for people to learn. I am begging. Because she take a risk to come back, to come to Europe at the end of the day because she say a lot of things to you. You have that man to say she must come back home. And for you, sister, I believe this is the warning to you. Next time you will learn how to talk to people because you are making money. Nobody say you to go and suffer. If you don't have to give them, tell them you don't have to give them. You don't have to be insulting anybody because of rubbish money. I call it rubbish because I value my life more than money. I don't value money more than my life. If you value money more than your life, why can't you go back to Nigeria and go and meet those people that is robbing to rob you? What will you do? You'll be afraid. You'll be telling them, please, I have a lot of money, go and pack it. So right now you are okay. Why can't you, why you don't want to give people? Why you don't want to give? Why you don't want to give? Because you make it to the journal. I beg my people, may not be like said the matter don't to vex me. I beg. If today is your first time where they work out my video, if my advice is good for your ear, press that button. And the notification bell where they follow. So anytime they offload that, go they ring bagara for your phone. Okay, my people? I love support. I love to be supporting. Yes, it's what God asked me to do. Forget I don't have. I believe God will create me. Even if I have 10 euro, you ask me, I will divide it to you. I'll give you 5 euro. I want everyone to be happy. I love you all. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment below. I say, may you get your sister, your friend, Charles, to aka Obudwe, one of France, aka Ide Your Body. Goodbye, everyone. Remain blessed.